Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Sunday. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm sitting here making link necklaces. You already know I wasn't on camera. So this morning, every Sunday morning, I listen to one of the sermons from Gateway Congregation. So it starts around 8 o'clock and it's still going on now. So again, when I'm like working and stuff, I don't be wanting to turn it off. So I was sitting here making this necklace while I was listening. So what I did now is just went ahead and paused it for a minute to come and show you this set. And remember, this is one of the bezels that I filled with the natural stones. So I filled it, then went ahead and put a charm on here, and then added the pendant to the link beads using some of the gemstone beads that I got in my box the other day. And then we just made a cute little pair of earrings. So we got some little token earrings here with the ideology messages on them. So you can see that real quick. Just some cute little dainty things to go with this really boho-ish Bohemian necklace. And you notice here I use some aluminum wire. And you know how let's see, I wrap the wire around the top part here because I really didn't like the way it looked. I would have to put a jump ring here and then put the jump ring here. I'm drawing a blank. Put the jump ring here and then start connecting the beads to the jump ring. And I think I am going to, I think I did something like that. Maybe as an, just for me to see what it was, but I think I took it apart. But anyway, I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. Put the jump ring on here, and then with the jump ring, the beads will connect to the jump ring because of the thickness here. This thick part right here, I can't. It just don't come out right. It would be nice too. Look, if I was able to just do it that way, but the thickness of it won't allow. Not unless I make the end of the bead, the wire part, like really big enough. That still wouldn't look good either. I think that would just look kind of tacky. But anyway, I'll figure it out. Even if I have to just do them all with the aluminum wire. But this is actually 18 inches. The necklace part is 18 inches. I did put the lobster clasp on the back of it and then double jump ringed it. And then the pendant is about, I want to say almost 3 inches. 3 inches or almost 3 inches. But the necklace part is 18 inches. So the length ones, I'm making them 18 inches, 20 inches, and then longer because I love the way the link looks. But this is one of the necklaces using one of those pendants. You guys let me know what you think. I think it came out really nice. Really, really pretty. Very simple. Just real nice. Easy to make. Not difficult to make at all. And for something to be so easy to make, it really looks complicated. Because when I look at it, it looks very complicated. Like it's like, how you do that? Like, right? But it's only linking beads together and then taking your bezel, filling it with whatever you want to fill it with, and then, figuring out how you're going to wrap your wire here. And then there you go. Really nice. I really like this one. But you guys let me know what you think. It's Sunday. Do your best to have a great day. And we'll talk.